Bonjour guys, Mel here. If you're working behind a desk all day long, so your shoulders get so tight, your hamstrings as well, hip flexors, but your neck and shoulders. So because we're always like that and shoulders are rounded, just take a 5 minutes break. I'm going to show you some stretches we should do every day to improve our flexibility in our neck and shoulders. So you can stay seated right on your chair, or you can sit on your mat as well. So just 5 minutes. Let's do it. So I want you to be comfortable, and we're gonna stretch your neck. So let's bring your right ear close to your right shoulder, and shoulders have to stay down. And just notice your breath. Then you can bring your left arm by your side. You can walk your fingers as well away from you. If you're seated on your chair, just open your palm towards the front of the room. So shoulders down. So feel that stretch on the left side of your neck. And then optional to use the weight of your right hand on the top of your head. Just by doing the neck stretch, guys, seriously, you're going to improve your posture. Breathe. And then let's look down towards the armpit. So anytime it's too hard for your arms, shoulders, just release them. That's it. And slowly turn your head to look up towards the sky, to the left. You can even move your left hand a tiny bit more to the back of the room. And slowly release your arms. Bring your head to neutral. Inhale. Exhale, slowly to switch. That's it, shoulders down. And let's bring your right hand on the side of the mat and walk your fingers away from you. Optional to use the weight of your left hand on the top of your head. And let's slowly turn our head to look down towards the armpit. And then slowly turn your head to look up slightly to the right. You can move your right hand as well, more towards the back of the mat. And slowly release your arms, bring your head to neutral. We're going to bring your chin down towards your chest, and I'm going to stretch the back of your neck. I'm going to give you options again here. So let's stay here for now. Breathe deeply. So optional to interlace your fingers. Bring your hands behind your head. Just use the weight of them again. Elbows each side of your head. Look down at your stomach. And slowly open your arms. Come back with your head to neutral. Open your arms in cactus. So shoulders are down and back. Squeeze slightly your shoulder blades together. And just bring your arms right here. Open your shoulders and chest. So I'm not letting go my head. I'm just looking slightly up at the sky, so pushing my chest forward. Good, and slowly release. Voila. So how long did it take? Seriously. So share these videos with your coworkers and try to do it every day. So if you feel stressed, just do it.